Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's Weekly Market Guide.
Hello everyone. Hope all of you are healthy and safe. Welcome back to our new initiative, Sharekhan's Weekly Market Guide podcast. This podcast will help you stay informed with Indian markets. Kindly note this is an informational piece and not a recommendation. Let's see some important news that stood out in the last week. Lockdown was the buzzword, with some states announcing curfews and weekend lockdowns to curb rising COVID-19 cases. WPI inflation spiked to over 8 years high. Retail inflation rose to 5.52% in March. IIP contracted 3.6% in February. Some relief was that the Indian Meteorological Department has forecasted a third straight year of normal monsoon. On market data front, it was a truncated week wherein the Sensex and NIFTY ended with losses of 1.5% each. This is their fourth weekly loss in the last 5 weeks. Pharma index was up by 1.8%, while the highest losing indices were PSU Bank and Realty Index. Now for the coming week, the domestic equity market is likely to be guided by quarterly earnings data, coronavirus related updates and global trend this week. April 21 would be a trading holiday on account of Ram Navami. On earnings data, led by an encouraging pickup in economic activity and the healthy demand recovery, quarter 4 is expected to be another strong quarter. The Nifty valuation at 21 times of 2022 estimates and 18 times its FY23 estimates of EPS have eased to reasonable levels now. Also, there are expectations of further upgrade in consensus earnings estimate in the quarter 4 results season, despite the concerns related to a surge in COVID-19 cases lately. Macrotech developers IPO will list on NSE and BSE on Monday, 19th April. IPO was priced at 486 per equity shares. Let's look at important stock announcing results in coming week. Now let us look at upcoming corporate actions. There is an ongoing buyback in NIFTY Limited which will close on April 28. The buyback price has been fixed at Rs 240. Record date which was earlier fixed at February 24th. Also, the first and final call in respect of Tata Steel partly paid up shares has been extended. The new dates are from April 19 to May 3, 2021. Here are some technical data points on Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's all for the week. Do share in your comments for this weekly market guide. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.